Hello there, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Millet biscuits. I guess you are wondering how the taste will be like, but from my last 3 videos you will know we keep on adding a little twist or two to the already established recipe, and this is one of those. Please stick and stay with me throughout this video and I promise you will love it. My name is Bex. Welcome to my channel. So we have our millet flour already in the bowl. All I'm adding right now is the all-purpose flour, the normal wheat flour. We then mix the two flour together in order to get everything combined. And then we proceed on to adding our margarine as usual. With this particular recipe, I do not really have any measurements for this. I just went with the vibe. I was just vibing along, freestyling. And amazingly, everything turned out perfect. Like, we are used to these things. We are used to measuring stuff with our eyes and our fingers and our senses. So just go with the vibe, darling. After a thorough mixing of the margarine and the millet flour together with the normal flour, you make a wall in the bowl like this, and then you go ahead to add your honey. You realize we didn't add any sugar or anything, so this will serve as the sweetener. We are using honey in place of sugar. So with the honey, you can adjust it according to how sweet you want your biscuit to be. You can adjust it to your taste. Like I said, we are freestyling. At this point, you continue to mix until you get everything well incorporated. In order to take this mixture or this biscuit to another level, we go ahead to add our evaporated milk to add to the milkiness. Like, it has to melt in your mouth and give you that milky, biscuity, shortbready taste. We are vibing, don't worry. After everything is well mixed through, you proceed onto the cutting and shaping process. If you have not watched any of my other biscuits recipe, you might think they are all the same, but there is a twist and different vibes to each and every one of them. So please do well to watch all of them after this and leave a comment, and please do well to try it out. I'm here to read your comment. Leave me a comment how it tasted and I'll be so happy to read and reply you. Thank you. While cutting and shaping, please do well to remember you must have your oven already lighted and it's preheating. Let it be preheated before you put in your biscuit. That way it doesn't take much time to bake up.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
At this point, our biscuit or cookies is done. Look at it. Just look at this. Tell me, if I grab one of these and I give to you, you will shake your head. You will not take it and munch on. No, just tell me. Like I always say, I'm not selfish at all. So you can go ahead and have a taste of it. Please remember, whilst at it, leave me a comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell in order to get notified whenever I post a new video. Always remember to keep your biscuits in an airtight container and always keep it closed in order to preserve the crunchiness. This way you preserve it for a longer period of time. Thank you so much for watching up until this point. Please do well to catch up with my other videos and I bet you will love them. Bye.